What's poppin' YouTube? My name is Kas and welcome back to my channel Side Main Hustle, where I've turned my side hustle into my main business, my main hustle. And today a little bit different scene for you. I'm in my closet and I was having a nice lazy Sunday. Didn't want to do anything, didn't want to post anything, just didn't feel like it. There's nothing else to it other than I was just being lazy. And it's about maybe 6 o'clock. I've wasted the whole day doing literally nothing, and I figured, you know what, I might as well salvage the last few hours of the day and be productive. So I didn't want to go out to the store because obviously the stores are going to be closing pretty soon. It's a Sunday. I didn't want to start listing things because I just didn't feel in the mood to listing. It's the weekend. I didn't have to do my 10 items per day because I allowed myself not to do it on the weekend.
Although I probably should be, but oh well.
So I figured, what can I do today that is going to give me the thrill of, if you will, for looking for stuff to sell, and I don't have to do any listing or anything like that. And I figured I have not cleaned out my closet in forever. I haven't gone through my clothes. I haven't gone through my shirts, my pants, what fits, what doesn't, what don't I like anymore, what is just not something that I want to wear. So I figured, let me just go ahead and go through it. And as I was doing it, I was like, well, you know what? I started putting stuff aside and making piles to either garage sale or donate or resell. And next thing I know, my resale pile ended up being pretty large. So I figured, let me go ahead and make a video out of it. Maybe it'll inspire somebody else to go ahead and do the same thing and find some extra cash just sitting in their closet that they normally would have just not cleaned out and just sat there. So I already went through my shirts, and I'm gonna show you guys that in a couple minutes. I'm gonna finish going through my closet and go through my pants, go through my hats, go through whatever other miscellaneous stuff I can find in here and see what happens, and we'll go over everything all together. Alright, so I separated them into 3 small piles. That's just because, like I said, I already went through my t-shirts, so I didn't have too much to go through for my jeans. So this pile right here is the garage sale pile. That's the online resale, and that's the keep but don't leave in the closet pile. So I'm going to go join those with my t-shirts and show you guys what I'm going to be doing with it. Alright, so I was going to just throw these in the garage sale pile, and I figured I'd look it up. These are some St. John's Bay, just cargo khaki style pants. And they're going for about 17 bucks or so. So I was literally going to put them in the garage sale for about $1, $2 and just be done with them. But figured I might as well throw them online and give it a chance. This right here is it's my karate gi that I never used. My kids go to karate. They told me, why don't I do it with them? I said, cool, I'll do it. Life got in the way, just didn't get it done, and it's still brand new in the package. So I'm thinking I might get like 20-25 bucks for it. It does have the actual place that they do karate at imprinted on the back, so it's probably gonna be a little bit harder sale. I don't know if someone's gonna buy it or not. Then right over here, I got some wetsuit pants again, which I never used. If you've seen my previous video with the kayak, so sad, it is gone. So I never actually took the kayak out, and therefore I never used my wetsuit pants. I believe I bought these on Amazon, and it was maybe about $20, so I'm hoping to get maybe that amount back out of it. So this right here is my dirt bike gear that I had. I just had a small dirt bike, nothing fancy, nothing great. These are just a Thor top and bottom, and think I actually bought these secondhand myself, and I only paid about 40 bucks, so I'm thinking I can probably get about the same out of it. These actually have a zip off pants, so you can make them into shorts, and I do have the bottoms to these, so I'll put that up on eBay for about 40 bucks plus shipping. These 2 hats right here are brand new. I never used them. My parents, when they go to different countries, they get me hats and shirts, and some of them I wear, some of them I don't. I actually like the style of both of these, but I just never worn them. So I'm trying to purge stuff that I don't wear, just to get it out and clean up my closet. And because obviously I'm doing the whole reselling thing, might as well. If I'm not using it, it's got to go. Now going to the shirts, I got about maybe 20 of them or so, and I'll flip through them really quick. Some of them are gonna be brand new with tags, just like this one. This is a Oakley shirt, and pretty cool design. They obviously don't make this anymore because it's pretty old. The retail was $45. I did not pay that. That is just what the tag shows. I bought this specifically to use myself, and I never use it because I did not fit into it. It's an extra large, but it's a smaller extra large, so figured just might as well sell it. This guy I got from Puerto Rico, had it custom made, stopped wearing it some time ago. Still fits me, but I don't wear it, so this is one of those shirts that my parents got me, brand new with tags, and same thing with this one and this one. So they're all pretty cool shirts. It's just that if I don't wear it, I gotta sell them. So I'll probably get about maybe $10 to $15 each for those. This is actually goes with this. This is the top part of that wetsuit, and this is a O'Neill. I believe I bought this for about 25 bucks. I don't think the price tag's on here. No, but this was, again, supposed to be used with my kayak, but never did. Hoping to get about $20 for that. This is actually kind of cool. It's an older piece from Oakley. It's more like a casual light jacket. I think I could probably sell this for about $40 because they don't make anything like this anymore. They kind of gotten away from the dressy, casual kind of clothes. This is quite old, so hopefully about $40 for that. This is just a Adidas Zero golf shirt. I looked it up online. I believe one sold for about $15, so hoping to get something out of there. Another Oakley golf shirt, probably about 10 bucks out of this. And here's another brand new with tags. This one actually is it's a little different. It's kind of like a sample, that's why these two are attached to the fabric. I believe this was just like a sample shirt that I got from a lot buy. And have a bunch of superhero stuff. So there's gonna be a Superman shirt, a Batman, and there's gonna be a couple more past that. But I think what I'm gonna do with the superhero shirts is I'm probably gonna lot them together and do a lot buy and see if it sells. If not, then I'll probably stick them in the garage sale because those were, I believe, from Walmart about $8 each, so not too much value there. I was actually gonna stick this one in the garage sale too because this is Old Navy. Old Navy stuff really doesn't go for much on eBay, but because it's an active, I decided to look it up, and it's a long sleeve, which you don't really come by too many active long sleeve shirts. And I'm glad I looked it up because it's going for about $15 or $17, I think. I'll put the screenshot here. I forgot exactly what it was. There's another Superman shirt, which I'll probably lot all together. Just a plain Oakley shirt, nothing special, but it's in good condition. And probably get about 10 bucks for that one. Another superhero shirt. This is Green Lantern. That'll go in that lot. There's another Oakley shirt. This Oakley skull. They don't make these kind of designs anymore, so it's kind of vintage-ish. I believe this is early 2000s. And there's another superhero shirt there, Captain America. And I really actually like this one. This is actually one of my favorite shirts, but the only problem is that when the neck gets a little bit bigger on the shirt and it stretches out, it really irritates me and I don't like wearing it anymore. So it's got Las Vegas, Oakley, cards, all the stuff that I like combined into one shirt. But because they don't really have these around much, I'll probably still be able to sell this for about, I want to say $15 to $20. I'll look it up online. But even though it's used, it should go for around 20, I think. And there's another Batman shirt. Like I said, I'll probably lot them all together. And this is nothing special. Again, this was from Walmart. I just really liked it. Buzz Lightyear. I'm a big Toy Story fan. I've liked it since the first movie came out. And it's just no signs of intelligent life anywhere. I just thought that was so funny. Picked it up, but it's gotten a little bit older. Doesn't fit me anymore, so time to go. Going through these shirts right here already a little bit. Some of them are folded, and I have a bunch of others that I need to go through. And this stuff right here is stuff that I don't fit or I don't really wear, but I don't want to get rid of yet. So a lot of them are large size shirts, which I don't fit anymore. Some of them actually still have tags and are brand new. Especially this pile right here. It has a lot of stuff that I have not worn, but I don't want to get rid of. I did buy it for myself. So just again, more superhero stuff, more Oakley stuff. This one right here is a Nintendo one. So just all the stuff that interests me and that I like, and unfortunately they don't fit me. So I have a plan for this. I'll tell you guys that in a second, but I'm gonna finish going through this stuff and fold it all up and put it into different piles and get it boxed up.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
I'm basically going to be selling everything in that I'm going to be putting in this container if I do not use it in 1 year. I think that's kind of a good rule of thumb to have. If you're not going to be using it in a year, might as well get rid of it. My plan is, like everybody, to lose a little bit of weight. And if I lose a little bit of weight, then I basically have pretty much a whole new wardrobe. Obviously, there's stuff I've already had. I've worn some of it, but a lot of it's still new. But might as well kill two birds in one stone. Get a new little mini wardrobe as well as lose some weight, so that way I can fit into this stuff. But if I don't use it in a year, then I'm going to get rid of all of it. And that's going to be unfortunate because I do like a lot of stuff in here. So that's kind of an incentive for me to do. Alright guys, back in my closet. I think I pretty much got everything out of here that I wanted to get. I'm just going to do one last double check to make sure that I didn't miss anything, so that way I can be done with it, list all those items that I pulled out of my closet, make sure that I have everything put away into the tote that I wanted to hold on to, but I didn't actually need to use it because I didn't fit into it. And in regards to the stuff that I am going to be selling, the reason why I made the video is because I wanted to kind of tell people that you can actually source from home. You don't have to go outside. You don't have to go buy stuff. You don't have to spend money. If you do have an excess amount of items at home, if you do have extra clothes, you do have stuff that doesn't fit you, you can do something as simple as a garage sale, sell the items for $1, $2 a piece. Or if you have something that's worth putting on eBay or Poshmark or anything like that, then go ahead and list those up online. That way you can make a little bit extra money. Just from that stuff that I pulled out, took me about maybe about like 30-40 minutes actually, and I think I can actually make about $150 after fees, but that's about $150 or so that I didn't have before that I am planning on popping online and selling. Granted, it's going to take time to put it up on there, and it's going to take time to take the pictures, measure everything out, get it listed, and then actually get it sold. But again, that's just one example of how you can find things at home that you don't necessarily use that you can make a little bit extra money from. I'm going to probably be going through more stuff because this was kind of fun for me. It's kind of like a little treasure hunt. A lot of the stuff I actually forgot that I had. So finding items that you are going to keep, finding items that you're going to sell, it's a little fun. It's actually kind of like shopping outside. So it's good to go through the items that you have and get it listed, get it sold, get it out the door. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Catch me in the next one.